You get the freezer drawers.
Yeah.
You can't get fridge drawers. That's what we actually hoping to get.
This thing doesn't continue. I don't care. 60, so it's about there.
Which is a cabinet, normal cabinet. 60.
Yeah. 60 is a normal cabinet.
Yeah.
That's what.
And the two drawers that open up like that.
You know, it's a bar fridge as well. It says bar fridge.
Yeah, we've been looking that one. That one, normally is this one we're looking, honey.
Yeah, that's what
so we grab this.
This is a special order, so we have to order this.
Okay.
We're not in a hurry.
All right.
Does say on the information,
Yeah.
bar fridge.
But these are
These
Yeah.
are bar fridges
these are
anyway,
bar fridge
so.
anyway, so.
Yeah. Okay, we're going to order that one.
Okay. We'll have to go down to special orders for that.
Yeah.
Yeah. That cabinet is
It's
quite
about there.
Yeah.
So it's slightly taller.
Yeah. Our cabinet, that counter is 11.
I'm walking fast again, aren't I?
I know. Because
Built-in Bellini fridge.
Oh, well, I've got one.
Yeah.
So you might be allowed to have. Let me just...
Oh,
Might be even better.
have. I like that have bit. Oh.
she have a stock. Oh, I like this kitchen here, but we have already kitchen new one.
Are they well? Where's the box in too?
It's in the cage. Yeah.
I was just going to see if they wanted to have a look at the...
You can have a
box.
look. We've actually,
It's all right,
I already
either
opened
way.
the box the other day to have a look because we don't have one on display.
Yeah.
So I took some
I don't know
photos of
if
it
the
for the
box is already
ladies.
open and
Yeah, but I haven't got them now. They're gone.
You deleted them?
Yeah. Oh, no, I didn't.
Oh, there you are.
There. So the handles are in there. You have to put them on
Yeah,
yourself. And then that's the top
That's
drawer.
That's
Like-
the drawers.
yeah.
And the bottom drawer.
Yeah.
But you're welcome to have a look because you just have to lift the box off.
Okay. Because that's the one thing I don't like, is we don't have everything on display.
Yeah, but I'll just have a look at her
Yeah.
inquiry because I actually took a photo of it of her label so I could look it up.
Camera.
Got a little camera there.
Yeah.
Because we have a blags.
Veggie garden.
That's alright.
Yeah.
It's
alright.
Veggie garden block.
Oh, so it looks like it's been cancelled.
Has she cancelled it?
It looks that way. I'll just read the notes. Oh, it couldn't allocate the energy rating. Oh, so she must have rang the customer. So that she doesn't want it. So because we couldn't get the energy rating on it, we were trying to find out what the energy rating is.
If you're going to buy that, who cares?
Yeah.
Oh, the
So I just went.
There's almost no energy.
So there's no information on it. We couldn't get a
Yeah.
star rating. So
she don't like it.
we tried to get it from our supplier
Yeah.
and they couldn't get it either. So it's all yours if you want.
Size.
So did I. Want to head down there? I can get Emily to open the cage for you. Oh, you don't have a key, do you, Trent? Trent's got a key.
You've got keys.
Can he have the key, please?
Alright, let's go and look at this fridge.
Let's go. We're gonna look at the fridge.
Okay.
But I can't remember where it is now on there, but it's hot. It's
Come for seeds and we're looking at a fridge.
The small ones are $20, the big ones $30.
Like a good one?
Yeah, I mean,
And I can understand why she wanted to make it.
oh, what?
There's very limited insurance when it comes to that. So it's not like you've got, oh, just choose a different one if I don't like it. It's not.
I think I would get something wanted a specific rating.
Yeah.
It's probably energy efficient.
Yeah.
Which limits you.
Good morning, That's
the main reason.
Oh, they walking so fast. Yan, dito lahat. Kami bumibili dati nung nag-renovate pa kami ng bahay. Pero ang mahal, grabe. $1. Super. Maganda pag nagbahay sa Philippines kasi medyo nakaka-save ng pera. So, tingnan namin yung fridge. Kasi meron daw naka-open dito, hindi na kailangan namin we need to order.
Really? It says.
Oh, so this is the one here. We are in the. Yeah. Because our house is so tiny, so we looking this kind of fridge.
You also do want this big or
Oh,
open the
that's-
fridge every time you have a cup out.
Yeah.
You don't want to open the big fridge all the time you have a cup.
I like that.
That's the fun.
Yeah, I like this.
Oh, you can put a bottle of it in there.
How,
Surely.
how tall is it?
Under the counter.
Under the
It's,
counter.
it's about the same height. It's slightly taller. That's just a divider. Assuming. Just
Yeah, just
yeah, you've got one there as well.
Yeah.
Manual.
little small things in there.
Basket. It's actually not a nice little.
The handles are in there.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's a temperature, digital temperature control.
Wow, nice. So it's actually better than the actual one.
Yeah.
And it's not got the second one back.
That's exactly what I've been
Yeah.
after for a long time.
So how about the handle is there?
Yeah, the handles
Inside.
Handles are inside.
Yeah.
Can't actually lift back on.
I'm glad you meet us. I'm glad you start talking to us. Because we're really looking that for a long time.
Have a look on our website because a lot of the special order stuff is on our website.
I gave up looking for a
Yeah.
fridge drawer. You can buy freezers, but we didn't want freezer. We wanted 13 months, 2 years ago.
Yeah, 2 years ago.
And we couldn't find anything.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mega high stuff.
This is really big store for everything you need. I think is here. Bunnings is complex. I
We can do the actual here or the quick.
You can do, yeah.
Probably best here. Because if it's here, so then they don't look weird. Instead of change when to different register.
but we need to come back to pick up that one because our pressure is still there. The washing.
Ah, yeah, we'll have to come back to the pressure washer.
Okay.
We have it still stuck inside the car.
No.
You're going to go home and...
Well, we have a pressure washer in the back. We need to empty it first.
Okay.
So we
empty
come
it
back
here
with the
or-
No, no, at home. We go home.
just come and... It's actually better if you pay for it when
And pick
you
it
come
up.
in to get it. Yeah.
I can only drive straight up to the cage then. So.
Yep, just drive straight in.
Yeah,
And then,
come up to you.
Actually, I'll give you... If we give you a... Actually, you best to come here because I'll have to get the
And
code
that's the back.
out for you.
Alright.
So just come here and then you can pay them.
Okay,
Because it'll
alright.
create an issue if you pay now and then the receipt's got the wrong time on it and everything.
Yeah,
so,
yeah.
So just don't... I won't let anyone touch it anyway.
No,
one
no,
else
I'm not
knows
worried
it's
about
there.
that. Yeah, if
So-
it's gone, it's gone, you know.
Yeah. Well,
So
I'm here till 5, so...
Yeah, I'll be back in an hour or so.
Yep, no worries.
Yeah.
How about much speaking?
That's
Alright.
fine.
Okay, thank you.
No worries at
Back
all.
later.
Thank you. Back later. See ya.
Bye-bye.
Oh, thank you. Adam. He's,
Thanks, mate, for your help.
he's on the phone. It's alright.
It's alright.
Thank you.
Probably break one at $3, I'll get two.
All right. You done? So we're going home.
Did you want to buy?
We got this one. It's a really nice one. Looks like fake, but it's real. Wow.
They always look fake, those ones, yeah.
Yeah, looks like fake, but real. I love this. I think, is this growing inside the house?
There.
I love that. Heart with what?
So did you buy some sausages?
Yeah.
Just buy one for not for Alvin, huh?
No. So cold outside. We're just going to buy sausage. You have bags?
Yeah, it's for charity. You can say it on everyone.
Huh?
This is for charity.
Okay. Then.
Family to raise funds.
Ah, okay. Done? Okay.
Where's the GP?
Yeah. It's long truck. Yeah, how come? You don't move.
People like that should buy a little car.
This one is alright. Alright, going home.